Is it the right time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Palantir. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, November 21, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any significant updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with the help of our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of AI's capabilities and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has ranked Palantir as a hold/accumulate, with a score of -0.55. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, Palantir has gained 10.18% since we initially recommended buying it 14 days ago. This means an average daily return of 0.73% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in the middle of a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 28.93% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 3.48% to 39.44%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 177.84% change over the next year, with a potential return between 110.05% and 200.22%. This suggests a price range of $41.59 to $59.44 after 12 months. Our latest update for Palantir covers the stock's performance on Tuesday, November 21, 2023. The stock price experienced significant volatility, fluctuating between $19.72 and $21.85 throughout the day. On that day, the Palantir stock price decreased by 7.22%, dropping from $21.34 to $19.80. This decline raised concerns about the stock's stability. However, it's important to note that the stock has shown positive growth in 6 out of the last 10 days, with an overall increase of 5.32% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also saw a notable increase of 13 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This may indicate a potential risk in the coming days. In total, approximately $2.03 billion worth of shares were bought and sold, with a total of 103 million shares traded. Looking at the stock's performance over the past year, we can see that the highest price reached was $21.85, while the lowest was $5.84. Currently, the stock price is 9.38% below its 52-week high, with a difference of $2.05. It is also 56% below its all-time high of $45, which was recorded on January 27, 2021. Analyst ratings. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Wedbush gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Wedbush gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, August 31, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave PLTR an underweight grade with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Wedbush gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Goldman Sachs gave PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Palantir stock a general rating of buy. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Let's analyze the signals for Palantir. The Palantir stock is currently giving mixed signals. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average gives a buy signal. Since the short-term average is higher than the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. However, if the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $20.14. On the other hand, if it falls, there is support from the long-term average at approximately $17.63. If the stock breaks above the short-term average, it will trigger a buy signal, whereas a breakdown below the long-term average will signal a sell. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also shows a buy signal. However, there have been some negative signals recently, which may impact the stock's near-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a decline of -7.22% so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. The volume of trading increased as prices fell yesterday, which could be an early warning sign that the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator gave a buy signal. The pivots indicator gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicator gave a buy signal 32 days ago. The short-term moving average indicator gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicator gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 31 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Palantir. Palantir, a stock with potential, has found support from accumulated volume at $18.89. This support level presents a buying opportunity as it is likely to trigger an upwards reaction when tested. However, it's important to note that this stock can experience significant volatility throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates that Palantir is considered to be a very high-risk stock with a wide prediction interval. Looking at its recent performance, Palantir has shown a daily price range of $2.13, or 10.8%, between its high and low points. This highlights the potential for significant price movements. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.49%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. This high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected on February 12, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings per share are at $0.0600. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly influence stock prices. Today, let's analyze the potential day trading levels for Palantir. If the stock price of Palantir starts to rise, the first resistance level to watch is at $19.94. If you're not currently invested in Palantir, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. However, if you already own shares, this could be a good opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, if Palantir faces a downward movement, it encounters its first support level at $18.89. If this support level holds, it could be an attractive entry point with the expectation of a bounce back. The average rating for Palantir from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 16, 2023, Schiff Alexandra W. sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On November 14, 2023, Wershing Eric H. sold 5,000 shares of Class A common stock. On November 14, 2023, Teal Peter bought 3330804 shares of Class A common stock. On November 14, 2023, Teal Peter sold 3330804 shares of Class B common stock. On November 1, 2023, Moore Alexander D. sold 21,900 shares of Class A common stock. The 100 most recent insider trades indicate a negative insider power ratio of -14.267. Overall, insiders purchased 14,985,221 shares and sold 20,166,564 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $18.91, which represents a decrease of 4.52%. It's important to note that this stock experiences significant daily movements, which in turn carries a high level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed just 1 day ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? While Palantir holds several positive signals, we don't believe it is currently a strong buy candidate. It may be more suitable to hold or accumulate this position and wait for further development. Our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued based on the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. For trading on Wednesday, November 22, we anticipate Palantir to open at $20.46, marking an increase of $0.657 from the previous closing price. Before we dive into today's topic, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments section below. We're also curious to know your target for this stock. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day ahead. Thank you for joining us.